everybody, I'm Jake, and this is Grace, and today we are going to draw a frog. Alright, so let's get going. Grab your pencils and start off with a foundational shape. That's just a circle that we're not going to use. It's just a guide. So draw that circle, and then take a line that goes down here like this. And then take another line that goes down like that. All right. Okay. And then we're going to draw some of the frogs. We're going to draw the frog's eyes. Here we go. Draw a circle that goes right up here. And then draw another circle right next to it. This frog has nice googly eyes. It can be a circle or it can be a little bit of an oval. These two, his eyes or her eyes don't need to be perfectly symmetrical or even. Like if they're a little bit a different shape or size, that's okay. All right, so let's draw the blacks of the eyes, and I'm gonna cheat it a little bit, not in the center, maybe like right there, and give him another one right there. So let me darken my lines a little bit. Okay, you can darken the curve because this is gonna be the top of the frog. Okay, let's give him a nice smile. All right, that's good. And I'm gonna add a little bit of a little of the corner on his mouth right there. All right, and let's draw the front legs. Or the arms of the frog. There are two parallel lines right next to each other, right there. And as always, if we're going too fast, you can feel free to pause it and draw at your own pace. And considering with the other leg, front leg, think about the distance from here to here and try to duplicate that distance. There and there for those parallel lines. Okay, so now we're going to do the feet, or the front feet. So draw a circle, and a circle that's a little bit higher up, and another circle that's like that. And then we're just going to go in and draw a line. I'm going to add a little bit of it's like maybe a lowercase r or
it's like an N.
Or an N that's kind of tipped over. And I'm going to do that the same thing, mirror it over here. It's just like maybe he's got a little bit of skin that's makes a crease, and then we're going to go like there and like there to connect those two. And you can even add a little bit of a line there and there. You could add another line here and here, but I'm going to leave it as is, empty. And we're going to copy this, what we did over here, to this front foot. So circle, circle, circle. So they're in kind of like in a triangle formation, and zoop, zoop, yoink, yoink. Good job. Looking good. Okay. Now, imagine there is, well, actually, let's not imagine, let's do it. Let's draw the bottom of the frog. Just kind of curve the line here like that. Draw the bottom and do the same thing over here. And then let's draw the legs. We're going to start about where the front legs started, up top here, and do a nice kind of a half of a heart shape down like that, and then mirror the same thing over here. And we're stopping, I went a little bit far on this one, but that's okay. We're stopping right there. And then take this and do 2 lines. These lines aren't parallel. They're angled out. And do circle, circle, circle. And this last circle right here is covered up by this middle circle. And you can go add the webbing right in there, and a line right there, and a line right there. And we're going to copy the same thing over here. We're going to go line, line, and then circle, 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 web, line, line. All right, we're almost done here. I'm going to add a couple skin folds or muscle folds, like right there, which are kind of, lines like that. And then I'm gonna make his stomach a different color by giving it the line, like right here. All right. Not bad, not bad. If you want, you can add some warts, which are just like little arcs that go like right there, and circles and ovals. Give them little warts like that. You want to vary the size, make some big, make some small. Don't put them all. You want to spread them out so they're not evenly spaced. Like that. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, oh, nice eyelashes. Oh, I'm going to add some eyebrows. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my eraser and I'm going to erase most of this before I color it. And then I'm going to go over the lines that I'll still be able to see because I'm not going to fully erase it. I'm going to erase just most of it. Knock down the darkness of the colors, and then I'm going to color it. So Grace used a green color pencil, so she can still do that, but it won't be as pronounced. And yeah, just different ways to do it. All right, get your mighty coloring fists of power. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. I like the flies. Oh, he's even got a fly right on his shoulder right there. Mm-hmm. Is that a shoulder or is it a head? I mean, I guess your shoulder would be down here. Anyways, I'm not an expert on frog anatomy, but looking good. I made a couple decisions and changed things. I had to add some warts down here and things like that. But yeah, good job, guys. Nice work, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.